Ashok Pillar, the national emblem, the state emblem of India, is a replica of the line capital of the Ashoka Pillar preserved in Sarnath Museum, Uttar Pradesh. The original Sarnath capital from where the inspiration came has four lines standing back to back facing the four directions. The state emblem was adopted on 26 January 1950 by the Government of India, however, has only three visible lines, the fourth being hidden from the view. In the center, there is the Dharmachakra, a bull on the right, denoting the birth sign Rishabha, Taurus, of Lord Buddha, and the Kantaha, the favorite horse of Buddha, on the left. The Dharmachakra crowning the original capital and inverted lotus both were omitted at the time of adoption